4 Skittles in the microwave.
I'm scared. I'm scared. What if they explode?
That would be hilarious.
That would be kind of bad.
That would be funny.
Okay, they're kind of doing something. Okay, this is awkward. Just like waiting for the Skittles to cook. What are you doing?
I don't know.
Okay.
They're not doing anything. They're just melting.
Yeah. They're getting hot. So if we wait long enough, maybe they'll turn into like, ew, that would be nasty actually. Like Skittle juice? That's gross. Okay, don't fall.
Oh, there's a light.
Ooh, we should make some of these. They look good.
What?
I don't know. They just look good.
Nestle Toll House?
No! Cookie Brownie Delight. Gosh. This is taking extremely long.
Oh, let me see if I can open your fridge with my feet. Don't get that on video. Okay.
Whoa! Whoa! That is so cool! Ew.
Ew.
I dare you to eat it.
Ew, that smells weird. No.
39, 38. I'm gonna do it till the timer counts down. This is taking a long time. 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 14, 15, 11, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Oh yeah. Okay. Ew, that's kind of gross. That looks like. Ew. That's so nasty. I bet you if I showed Alex this, he would never eat Skittles again. Alex, come here! What? We put Skittles in the microwave and they melted. What? Come look at them.
Alex. Oh.
Okay, I'm leaving now. Bye.
Wait for your brother to get here.
Okay. Look, we put Skittles in the microwave and look at them.
Ew. Looks gross. Eat it.
I'm not eating this.
I'm not. Ash. Ew, I'm not eating it.
No, I don't want to. Bye.